Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by auditing what's coming in now. Scan the most recent 50 messages and flag repeat senders. Once done, use the built-in unsubscribe link or mark clear junk as spam so your provider learns. You should also enable priority inbox or tabs to separate promotional traffic. This reduces noise fast and gives you a clean workspace. After that, pick 2 high-volume senders to unsubscribe from immediately so you see quick reduction while you set longer-term rules. Next, you build durable defenses. Create filters using from, subject, and has words to route or delete unwanted mail automatically. Make sure to block entire domains for persistent offenders and create rules that catch mailing list headers like list unsubscribe for automatic handling. Once filters are active, test with 1 or 2 emails to confirm behavior. Also consider using address aliases or plus tags so you can trace which services share your address, and then remove or block the source if they abuse it. Finally, maintain control by scheduling a monthly review to prune subscriptions and update filters. Revoke any third-party app access that emails on your behalf. If you sign up for services, use single-use or alias addresses to prevent future leaks. For escalation, enable a paid spam filter or set up a new address and migrate contacts gradually. If something goes wrong and spam persists, report abuse to the provider, document headers, and as a last resort, change your address. This resolves the worst, stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.